Hello dear student, how are you? What are you doing? Dear student, uh, today I am going to talk about Physical and Health Education class 12, Unit 3rd, Yoga and Lifestyle, topic Yoga for Preventive Diabetes. So dear student, today you know that there are many peoples today suffering from diabetes due to their wrong dietary habits, due to their lifestyle, less physical activities. So dear student, today we are reading about the how can we prevent and cure of diabetes by yoga. So before starting of these all asanas and yoga, we have to understood about the what is diabetes. So first of all, you have to understand what is diabetes. So diabetes is a condition when the pancreas in the human body fails to production insulin, because insulin is that hormone which can change our carbohydrate to glycogen, and glycogen can change into the energy. So diabetes is such a disorder which causes sugar to build in a bloodstream instead of being used up by the body cells. Incidentally, insulin is the hormone that converts the sugar in the food into energy. Insufficient secretion of insulin by pancreas result in excess of glucose level in the bloodstream. So, result of excess of the glucose level in the bloodstream. If the insulin, less secretion of insulin by the pancreas. So, resulting of diabetes. That's why the people suffer from diabetes. So, if the level of glucose is high, it eventually affect the important body parts. So how can we find out that we are suffering from the diabetes? So few symptoms I am telling about the person suffering from diabetes. So the symptoms like fatigue, hazy vision, excessive thirst, weight loss, increased appetite, so blurred vision, and many there are many more symptoms you can see when you suffer from the diabetes. Just like this, uh, the diabetes person, they too much like to eat sweets things, sweets fruit, so sweets also. So there are more reasons you can see here. So now you have to read about the causes of diabetes. The main causes of diabetes are overweight or obesity. So there are many people today suffering from overweight, obesity due to their wrong dietary habits and lifestyle, and due to the less physical activities. So drinking of lot of cold drinks or soda waters, genetic factors also the main cause of diabetes. If any person's family members, their parents are suffering from diabetes, their children can be suffer from the diabetes. So sedentary lifestyle, gastrointestinal problem, smoking and drinking alcohol, less physical activity, taking lot of sweets, etc. So yoga can effectively add diabetes cure such as योग मुद्रा, पश्चिमोत्तान आसन, अर्धमत्स्येंद्र आसन, हल आसन, त्रिकोण आसन, विपरीत करनी, धनुरासन, उद्यान वन, कपालभाति प्राणायाम, भस्त्रिका प्राणायाम, नौली क्रिया. So there are many yoga asanas and pranayams by we can cure and prevent diabetes. So few asanas I am explaining here. So you have to read now about these asanas. First of all, you have to read about the Bhujanga asana. So dear student, Bhujanga asana, in English you can say the cobra pose. So from pro-lying positions, start raising the upper part of the body without the support of hand while looking up. Benefit of this asana: prevent and cures of diabetes, improve digestive functions, cures cold and bronchial problems, cure kyphosis, obesity, and neck spondylitis. So there are the many benefit of this Bhujanga asanas, and you can watch here the figure here given. just like in this position we can perform the Bhujangasana. So elevate the mood, enhance the blood circulation, reduce the belly fat, cures back pain, spondylitis, sleep disc, improve the digestion and flexibility. So there are the many benefit of this asana. So contradiction, which person contraindication, which person cannot perform this asana. Person suffering with back pain and hernia should not to perform this asana. Next you have to read about the Paschimottanasana. So sitting with straight legs in front, legs stretched while trying to touch the forehead to knees, hand holds the feet. Benefit: relieve diabetic patient, relieves diabetic patient, control weight and prevent obesity. Back and leg muscles are strengthened and relaxed, cure gastric, indigestion and constipation problem. So there are the many benefit of this asana, Paschimottanasana. You are watching here, this figure is given here. You have to bend straight your, make straight your leg, hold the foot and touch your knee with your forehead. So contraindication of this asana: person suffering from heart problems, ulcer, hernia, sciatica should not do this. They should not perform this asana. Next, Pavan Muktasana. So Pavan Muktasana, in this asana lie on back with your feet together and arms beside your body. Breathe in and as you exhale, bring your right knee toward your chest and press the thigh on your abdomen. With the clasped hand, breathe in again and as you exhale, lift your head and chest off the floor and touch your chin to your right knee. Hold if there as you take up the long breathe in and out. Benefit. So the Pavan Muktasana benefit here: prevent and cure diabetes, improve digestive function, cure obesity and neck spondylitis. The contraindication of this asana: person suffering with back pain should not perform this Pavan Muktasana. Next, Ardha Matsyendrasana. So dear student, Ardha Matsyendrasana in cross legs sitting. One leg is placed over the other so that the foot touches with the opposite hip joint, whereas the hand support the spine while looking back. So benefit of this asana: control weight and obesity, shape the body, improve the spinal flexibility and back and abdominal muscles strength and tone up, increase the glandular functioning, cure diabetes and arthritis, kyphosis, lordosis, scoliosis. So increase the glandular functioning. By this glandular functioning, our pancreas can be activated and that can start to release insulin, and by this asana we can also prevent and cure of the diabetes. So contraindication of this asana: person with severe back pain, hernia, piles should not to perform this asana. So in this way you have understood that how can we prevent and cure of the diabetes. Do you know that there are many people suffering from diabetes? So by this when we will perform daily these all asanas, so not only the diabetes, there are many physical problem, many disease, many you can the deformities. So many disease we can prevent and cure of, we can also cure of the many disease. So dear student, we have to perform daily basis. And you watching that on 21st June, the International Yoga Day also coming soon. So we have to perform on that day, International Yoga Day. So we have to perform these all asana on daily basis. Not only for the diabetic person, these are not for the these who are suffering from their many kinds of disease. But if you are healthy, the at that time you also perform these all yoga asana pranayam for the our. We have to include these all asanas in our healthy habits. That's why we can prevent to us from the many disease and deformity, and we can also cure of the many disease. Okay, thank you. I think that you have understood whatever we are teaching. And one thing more, which topic and daily basis we are giving teaching to you the online basis, and we are giving the few work you have to complete these all kinds of work, and stay at home and stay safe. So distant, you know that now lockdown little much opening in this time, we have to take the more safety precaution we have to take that for the we can prevent us from the coronavirus. Okay, thank you, bye bye.